Ipanema Beach in Brazil is a symbol of Rio de Janeiro's stunning scenery and vibrant culture. With fine sand and vast blue sea, Ipanema attracts tourists from all over the world because it is not only a place to enjoy relaxing moments under the sun, but also an ideal destination to relax. Experience Brazil's vibrant urban life. Ipanema Beach is located in the city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, stretching from the southern region of Arpoador to Rua Farma de Amoedo. With a special geographical location, Ipanema is located in the southern part of the area between two famous hills and mountains of Rio, Dois Irmãos, Two Brothers, and Morro dos Irmãos. The climate at Ipanema Beach, Brazil, often provides a special experience for those who visit. With a warm, tropical monsoon climate all year round, Ipanema proves attractive not only for enjoying the sun and sea, but also for the comfort of a pleasant environment, the excitement and diversity of its people. The people and culture at Ipanema make every trip here a colorful and unforgettable experience. Ipanema Beach is not only a place to enjoy the blue sea and warm sunshine, but also a diverse natural environment with animals and exceptional coral landscapes. At Ipanema, exploring the richness of underwater nature is an exciting and memorable experience, bringing joy and anticipation to nature lovers and exploration enthusiasts. Ipanema Beach, Brazil, is not only famous for its wonderful natural beauty, but is also home to attractive and hot girls, creating an indispensable part of the cultural picture here. Girls on Ipanema Beach often have a vibrant, confident, and individual style. They are a symbol of beauty and vitality, with healthy, shiny brown skin and a body typical of Brazilian women. Ipanema Beach, with its natural beauty and vibrant cultural life, has had a significant influence on Brazil's tourism industry. Ipanema's attraction has attracted millions of tourists from all over the world to Brazil every year. The popularity of this beach has created a great source of inspiration for people wanting to explore Rio de Janeiro and nearby tourist attractions, creating a significant source of income for the local tourism industry. The growth of tourism has also promoted the preservation of the region's environment and cultural heritage. Environmental protection policies and sustainable tourism management have been promoted to protect these precious resources and ensure that tourism development is balanced and sustainable. With these positive influences, Ipanema Beach is not only a famous tourist destination in Brazil, but also an important resource for the economic and social development of this country. Join us and subscribe to our Wandering channel today to explore the world through colorful and meaningful adventures. At Wandering, we offer unique travel experiences and spaces for deep engagement with culture and nature around the world. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about fascinating destinations, little-known corners, and interesting stories from top explorers.